You have to walk under the hot sun just to go out and buy food. Can you sing again? Oh, we came back and we saw this surprise. So we came from here. It's actually quite confusing. So there's like another pool here. And now by yes, there is a little boy. Oh, the lift is so small. Yeah, press 3. So our room is 563, right? But then it's located at level 3. Interesting. Welcome to Goodwood Park Hotel, and this is the Deluxe Mayfair room. As you can see, it is quite spacious. I actually thought that it's slightly bigger than the usual deluxe kind of room, which is not bad. And at this area here is a bit interesting layout because you don't usually see this in hotel rooms, right? So they have this area over here which is not like totally sealed up. Moving on, I believe why the room looks so big, right, is because can you see there's this huge, super mega full-length mirror over here, and it kind of like have those kind of like those kind of vintage royal kind of vibe that they give, like the furnitures. So, and then this is the closet, and here is where you can put your luggage. The furnitures, they do look a bit old lah. Probably this hotel is quite old already, that's why. So the cabinet, they have 2 robes, and then bedroom slippers over there. Ironing board, iron, and then toilet. So I would say this toilet is not very huge. Same thing, the door is very light. So for the toilet, right, this is the bathtub. So you have to shower inside the bathtub. A little bathtub. It's not very big, but I think just enough for one person, one mini person to sit inside. Okay, and then there's no rain shower, there's only the shower head. This is the sink area. They have like the usual stuff. Dental kit. The shower cap is actually quite cute. They put it in a box like this. Goodwood Park. Okay, then body wash, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and then the little toilet bowl here, which is the same thing. It's the very old school kind. It's the press. It's not from the top one. I would say that it's a very old hotel lah. But seems quite clean, and then they even have this thing over here. They are trying to sell you the pouch. So I mean, should you wish to purchase the pouch, please contact One Touch Service. Okay, and then they have like a mega freaking big weighing machine over here that is not very ideal because like you probably won't want to step on the weighing machine, you know. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. I mean, here is the bedroom lah. The only thing that I don't really like is the backdrop. No offense. Maybe, you know, like some colors would be nice instead of like black and white. This is the work area, the desk area. Even the chair also like leather, like old school kind. And I believe you can connect HDMI here, so it will link to the TV. And they even have this Goodwood Park Hotel. The highlight of the room. This is a mega huge TV, oh my god. They have a huge mirror here again, which is damn show. So it's very good. We don't have to like fight for mirror in the morning when he's gonna do his hair and I'm gonna do my makeup. Oh, ayo, ask us to purchase pouch again, but what is this? Oh, this is a hair dryer. Menu. Oh, there's a safe here. Oh, nice. Oh my god, look at this. They have Nescafe and they have TWG tea. Okay, and there's a mini kettle here for you to boil hot water. They have these like cups over here. I told you, right, very heritage. Try and look at their cups. Also, it feels like, oh, it's from England. Some tea for you. Feels like there's a lot of like history and heritage, and then, you know, you see the tea, you know, English people like drink tea, yeah? Okay, watch too much Bridgerton already. Mama, oh my god, so interesting. They have, oh, heavy. They have this kind of like different wine cups over here. Don't know how to appreciate because don't drink wine. Oh, heavy. Ugh. And there's a fridge. The mini fridge is here. Oh, got something inside there. They actually have a balcony, but I think we might not go out because it doesn't really look very clean and there's not much view there also. You just sit there and look at trees. I believe, I mean, if we turn the chair around here, you can see here and look at trees also. Come, take a close look. This feels like this has went through a lot. Look at the design of the chair and even these like small little details here. Not sure why there's like cross and like a circle here, oval shape. Interesting. So you see even the small table, so it feels very Englishy, huh? Right, yeah. And the bedside table, they have, interesting, they never change this. You see people use this, funny, oh my god, people use this as like the coaster. And they never throw. Alright, so even the switches are a bit old school also. And you know one interesting about this room, usually hotels they don't have fans, right? But look. Alrighties, so I'm happy with the room and I can't wait to try out the bed and we will have a good 3-day 2-night stay. See you later! What is this just now before? 你要唱歌 Can you sing again? So we are going out for our lunch now. It's a late lunch and we have to walk this like... The hotel is here. So we have to 走斜坡, we have to walk down the slope.
Actually, we can walk inside lah.
Then what you tell me? See our shag faces. We have to walk under the hot sun just to go out and buy food. And tapao, drinks and egg slat. Cause a lot of people, too many people already. So, oh, we came back and we saw this surprise from... I wonder what is it. Going out myself to have massage while JH stays in the hotel. And I'm gonna meet him like later. So cool. We are going out for lunch and it's 2+ PM now because we stayed in the hotel to watch like Ozark before coming out. It's a long day of shopping and we are on our way back to the hotel. Okay, so we're gonna check out now. Usually we will have lunch around this area before we check out. I mean, after we check out, but I mean, due to unforeseen circumstances, we need to leave straight away and go home. So, bye bye. Sayonara. It's been a good stay and it's been very comfortable. And we need to get all our luggage back. So, see ya. Hello. Okay, so we had a good 3-day 2-night stay at Goodwood Park Hotel. And the bed is very comfy. The staff service, I think so unable to get us let us check out late. But the only thing is like when we're going to go out and come back, right, it's a bit inconvenient because yeah, there's a slope, so we have to climb up and go down, roll down actually. Oh, yep.
No bills to settle?
No.
Okay, thank you. And do you need a parking coupon by any chance?
No, no.
Thank you.